Plus, and we about to go get the tires rotated. So, smell up, bro. You know what I'm saying? We about to get this thing going. So we're in the 2012 Dodge Charger again. So I guess earlier it was in eco mode, but we going through the school zone. So we can't go over, what, 20 miles an hour? But we getting these tires rotated. And when the tires are the same size in the front and the back, you can get them rotated. So yeah. But this car got what? 375 horsepower, 395 foot-pound of torque. Top speed of 155, but it's governed at 135 by the wheels. So I don't know why Mopar would do that. It's pretty, stupid to have 375 horsepower when it's governed by the wheels. So I don't know. They don't do that with the SRTs, though. It's only with the RTs and the V6s. But yeah, we'll get back with y'all once we get to the place. Yeah, so we here. About to go get these tires rotated. You see, we got the backup camera on here. Not that we need it, but why not?
I mean, it's like a little backup just in case. Ooh, okay. Y'all see?
Oh, we getting fixing the turn that this truck passed through. We missed our turn, so yeah. Gotta make sure it's clear on both ways before you turn out, so it's clear.
Yeah, guys. Safety first, y'all. Use y'all safety, man. Hey, them one got a little jerk. They can't.
Yeah, 95 foot-pound of torque.
Okay. Yes, sir. Y'all say we got the dash cam too, just in case.
Yes, always want to be safe. Safeguard yourself at all times.
Always use safety first, guys.
The police can't determine who fault it was. Your word versus theirs, you're not gonna really get nothing. But
y'all see, we got 160 on the dash. But the car ain't gonna do 160 because the governor is not on.
No, the governor is on. That's why I won't do 160.
Yeah, the governor is on.
5.7s are governed by the wheels. Same with the V6. Only ones that's not governed by the wheels is SRT vehicles, Scat Packs, Hellcat, Daytonas. These are the 2 Daytonas.
Yeah,
alright,
guys.
we recorded at the shop. 2012 Dodge Charger RT Plus. And yeah. Interior. So, nothing too, crazy. Nothing too crazy. Then I'm gonna pop the hood and show y'all that 5.7 Hemi. Alright. That dirty 5.7 Hemi. Stock intake, nothing fancy. Yeah. Gotta clean that up. Gotta close it. Once it snaps, it's good. Alright, we're getting ready to head out of here closer. Got your key fob. First thing first, buckle up before you do anything.
Safety first.
So, discount tire, they backed up, so, yeah. About to get ready to start this baby up. We'll be out.